Hello everyone and happy Easter Sunday. I just want to share this sunny, beautiful nature walk and the water with you. I feel that this moment is so in sync with the day and its meaning, and also with our theme of the month. I grew up celebrating the Sunday of Easter as a day that represents birth after death, rebirth, and our eternal nature. It's the day that often comes with sun, color, spring after winter, and this is how I feel these days. I often get drawn into the whole discussion about COVID and the measures and what has to be done and doesn't have to be done. And it's these moments in nature when I can freely receive. And then I can receive my infinite nature, the beauty, the joy of just being. And the more often I do this, the more it becomes part of also the more turbulent aspects of my life. I can notice how it expands within me, this awareness of our infinite nature beyond that which happens. So I hope you have a beautiful Sunday, and we all start into a time of rebirth, new beginnings, new hope, new life, new color. Things have to die so that something new can be born. Thank you for listening, for sharing this moment, and bye for now.